How to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can see the messages on your Instagram without scrolling to the top. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. From there, tap onto the messenger icon and select any chat that you would like to see the first messages of. Tap onto your profile. Once you do so, you will see search button just beside the profile option. Tap on the search bar and type in any messages that you think you wrote and tap on search. It will show you all the text that contains that letters, and that way you can directly go onto that chat just by tapping onto it. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.